Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into Apollo Global Management's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Apollo Global Management has released its Q3 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their asset management performance to strategic growth initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Apollo reported a net income of $787 million, translating to an earnings per share of $1.30. John, how does this compare to their adjusted net income?
Great question. Apollo's adjusted net income, which is a non-GAAP measure, came in at $1.1 billion or 185 cents per share. This figure includes their fee-related and spread-related earnings, which are key indicators of their profitability beyond the standard GAAP metrics.
And what about their total revenue?
Total revenue for the quarter was $7.8 billion, showcasing a robust performance across their asset management and retirement services segments.
Asset management and AUM growth. Apollo's asset management segment is a significant part of their business. They reported total assets under management of $733 billion. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. Apollo's AUM grew by 16% year over year, driven by $42 billion in inflows during the third quarter. Their fee-generating AUM reached $551 billion, highlighting their ability to attract and manage substantial capital effectively.
What factors contributed to this growth?
The growth was fueled by strong capital formation across their credit and equity management strategies, as well as robust fundraising activities.
Strategic initiatives and business drivers. John, Apollo has been focusing on strategic growth pillars. Can you tell us more about their initiatives in this area?
Sure. Apollo's strategic growth is centered around origination, global wealth, and capital solutions. They achieved a record origination volume of $62 billion, driven by diverse investing activities. Their global wealth segment has already surpassed the full year 2023 fundraising results, and capital solutions saw record fee revenue this quarter.
It seems like they're executing well on their strategy.
Indeed, their continued focus on these pillars is positioning them for sustained growth and profitability.
Risks and future outlook. Every company faces risks, and Apollo is no exception. What are some of the risks they highlighted?
Apollo is navigating a competitive market environment with potential impacts from interest rate fluctuations and regulatory challenges. However, they remain cautiously optimistic about their future performance, given their strategic initiatives and strong asset management capabilities.
How are they planning to mitigate these risks?
They're focusing on diversifying their investment strategies and maintaining a strong capital base to weather any market volatility.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Apollo Global Management has delivered a strong third quarter with significant growth in assets under management and strategic execution. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Apollo's robust performance and strategic focus make them a compelling investment opportunity, especially for those looking for exposure to diversified asset management.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Apollo's performance in the comments below.